this is Jenny from 21 Songs in 6 Days to teach you City of Stars from La La Land. City of Stars has 8 chords, and I'll show you quickly what they are. The first one is a G minor. It's kind of like you take your C7, then you put your third finger where you would for G and your second finger where you would for G, and then that gives you the minor because you have the B flat on your first finger. And that's followed by a C7, so you just have to lift those 2 fingers. Then you have a D minor, which you can either do with 2 fingers here and a 1, or you can collapse the knuckle and do it that way, which I do a lot. There's an F, which is very similar to a D minor. There's an A minor, but in this song, I do the A minor with putting my first finger in the 2nd fret, because the chord that follows that is your A diminished, fully diminished 7th chord. In that shape, you have 2 fingers here, and then you have to use all 4 of them. Then there's the other chords are not as difficult. Well, there's an A7, which is not hard. And then there's the B flat, our lovely B flat, where you have to bar the first 2 strings with your first finger, then here, and then here. For a strumming pattern, in the regular part of the song, I do down, down, up, down, up. So I go like this. When I get to the bridge, that's the part where you're going, a look in somebody's eyes to light up the skies. That's where you get the B flat chord. I changed my strumming pattern to all downs. A look in somebody's eyes to light up the skies. So I hope you enjoyed the lesson. If you want to have a lead sheet, that's a sheet that has all the lyrics and all the chords of the song on one sheet of paper. It will make it easier to learn. You can click on a link to get that. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thanks so much. City of stars, are you shining just for me? City of stars, there's so much that I can see. Who knows? I felt it from the first embrace I shared with you. That now our dreams may finally come true. Smokescreen of the crowded restaurants. It's love. Yes, all we're looking for is love from someone else. A rush, a glance, a touch, a dance. Look in somebody's eyes to light up the skies, to open the world and send it reeling. A voice that says I'll be here and you'll be alright. If I know just where I will go, 'cause all I need's this crazy feeling, a rat-tat-tat of my heart. Think I wanted to stay. City of stars, are you shining just for me? City of stars, you never shine so brightly. And if you enjoyed that song, be sure to like us on Facebook. You can also go to our website, ukulele.io, where you can download a free lead sheet of the song, so you have the chords and the lyrics. It makes it much easier to learn that way. And I hope you'll consider purchasing one of our books. We're on Amazon at 21 Songs in 6 Days. We have a new book out called Ukulele for All. Hope you'll consider using it. Thanks so much.